Now, look, the young ones have here turned my attention to the ABC's comedy series Utopia. You can watch it on Netflix. The series, I'm told, is an introspective satire on the sheer blindness to reason, illogicality and ineptitude of government bureaucracy. Got a ring to it? It shows in a rather humorous way the public's willingness to tolerate nonsensical and stratospheric spending. Now, the boys here recommend you watch the first couple of episodes of Utopia and tell me whether we are living in this right now. I think we are. The show, unfortunately, is Australia in 2021. Take, for instance, the federal Labor frontbencher Mark Butler, being interviewed this morning on this channel. Butler was isolating in South Australia. And during his interview, he cited the phrase, the health advice, about 100 times. In other words, this bloke can't think for himself. His mind is a captive of the oh-so-holy public health bureaucracy. Is it just me, or do you find it totally laughable that Mark Butler was isolating in South Australia where there are 0 new cases and only 9 active cases? None of those cases is in hospital. Isolating from what? It seems from doing work that he's overpaid to do. We live in an age which is beyond satire. All of this is so ridiculous. I can't believe we have politicians dumb enough to toe the line on this nonsense. Lives have been upended, businesses crushed, the education of our children totally disrupted. Yet politicians like Mark Butler, who has no policy achievements to his name, continue to be on full salary while he isolates from home, despite there being virtually no coronavirus in the state. Nothing to isolate from. Grown people who act and talk like fools shouldn't be surprised if they're treated like fools.